Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with just a quick share. I got the chance to order a Peachy cheap deal. I'm sure everybody knows what that is, but if you don't, it's an online daily deal. That's the only thing they sell every day. If it sells out, it sells out. So if you miss it, you miss it. It creates an urgency, so I can see how they get the buyer frenzy, but you have to contain yourself. The price is pretty good. It's actually really good, but then when you add on shipping, it's like, oh, it's still pretty good. But anyway, I'm going to share what I got. I got the HOORAY collection, not collection, but the HOORAY, I don't know, whatever they were offering. And so this is the papers that it comes with. They're 12 by 12 papers. There's 5 of them, and they are double-sided. And there's the backs. Ooh, nice paper. Yeah, so 5 of those. And then it also came with a sticker sheet. 73 stickers, it says. Well, I like the holographic. So yeah, 73 stickers and a HOORAY collection. Like I said, the HOORAY collection is from crepe paper, if you did not know that. It also came with a ephemera pack, which has 40 pieces of ephemera. And these are the pieces that come in the collection. And then I also got 13 stickers, and it's like the puffy stickers. And it also came in the I don't know what they're calling it. What do they call it? Because it's not a collection. Because the collection, I think, would be like everything. But it is part of a collection. Anyway. So yeah, this is what I got from Peachy Cheap. This is the first one I've ordered from them. Definitely not the first one I've wanted to order. By the time I see it or get onto it, it's already been sold out. So yeah, if you see the stuff you like from Peachy Cheap, I suggest you get on it. Anyway, so this is my little share. Hope you guys are having a great crafty day. And until the next video, Shakas!